The cell membrane is a thin layer of protein or fat that surrounds the cell. The cell membrane is semi-permeable and allows some substances in while keeping out others. The cytoskeleton is a network of fibers throughout the cell's cytoplasm that gives the cell support and helps maintain its shape. The nucleus is a membrane-bound organelle that also contains many other organelles, such as the nucleolus. The nucleus is responsible for many of the cell's functions, including protein synthesis. The smooth and rough ER are very similar in physical appearance. They are both vast systems of interconnected, membranous, enfolded, and convoluted sacs that are located in the cell's cytoplasm. However, the rough ER is covered in ribosomes, giving it a rough appearance. The rough ER transports materials through the cell and produces proteins in sacs called cisternae. The smooth ER produces and digests lipids and membrane proteins, and it buds off from the rough ER, moving these newly made proteins and lipids into the Golgi apparatus, or Golgi bodies. The Golgi bodies, or Golgi apparatus, is a flattened layer-like, sac-like organelle that looks like a stack of pancakes and is located near the nucleus. It produces the membranes that surround the lysosomes. The Golgi body is mainly vital for packaging proteins and carbohydrates into membrane-bound vesicles for export from the cell. Lysosomes are also referred to as cell vesicles. They are round organelles surrounded by a membrane and contain a digestive enzyme. This is where the digestion of cell nutrients takes place. Ribosomes are small organelles composed of RNA-rich cytoplasmic granules that are the sites of protein synthesis. The mitochondria is a spherical rod-shaped organelle with a double membrane. The inner membrane is enfolded many times, forming a series of projections. The mitochondrion converts energy stored in glucose into ATP for the cell. The cilia or flagella are specialized groupings of microtubules that protrude from some cells and aid in cellular locomotion. In this next video clip, you're going to see the representation of a gap junction actually in use. A gap junction is basically an intercellular connection between multiple different types of animal cells, which they directly connect the cytoplasms of these two cells, which allow various molecules, electric impulses, and materials to actually be transferred between cells.